You eh?
I thought you don't used to be afraid of anything.
Oh, why now?
Why you still a parrot?
How far now?
I'm good. I finished arranging the firewood, so I'll be taking them to the market tomorrow.
Okay, that's nice.
Yes.
That's nice.
I'm heading home, so I said let me come and check on you.
All right, I'll meet you up. Let me just finish
No
pumping this
problem.
tire.
No
Eh?
problem.
Later now. Which I want to buy. What is coming? Pascal, you know what?
What?
I do think you should come and start learning this vulcanizing job. It's for men and not for ladies.
You're saying the truth, but that will be difficult for me now. Because, you are the one doing this job, when our father was alive. So it's better for you. Huh? You learn how to do it well. I can't do it well.
You're a man and you can't go around fetching firewood round the whole village and still you start selling firewood. Doesn't make any sense. Why don't we just come together to my shop?
Jamal, leave that one. Do the one you're doing. Let me do mine. I'm enjoying it. Huh? I'm doing it well and I'm enjoying it. Don't focus on your own.
Well, means you need to fetch enough firewood to make more money. You have to fetch more firewood to sell so you can make enough money.
Don't worry, I'm doing my best. Very soon I'll improve and I make the money. Okay?
It's okay. No problem. I'm just saying because since the demise of our parents, we've been suffering. So we just need to put heads together, make more money, and then one of us can go to the city, get a job, and so we can leave this wicked village.
That I have that one in mind. Well, it's just that there's no money now and none of our uncle cares. Yeah, but no problem. We'll make it.
All right. We'll just put our hope in God. We trust God.
Wow.
I hope you are enjoying.
I'm enjoying it, but I don't know why you put 2 meat here. Yeah?
Pascal.
Are you giving me what meat?
See what I'm saying now?
Yeah, I like meat now.
And that is why we need to make more money. Huh?
Amadi,
Wise one,
Amadi,
wise one.
You and I are like one blood. Because you patronize me often. Because of that, I will give you something. Take this. Put it in their phones. Wait and see the results.
Thank you, wise one.
You're welcome.
Hoping that this one will work this time around.
Amadi, I've
Wise
never
one.
given you medicine that does not work.
But the other one failed. That is the reason I repeated this.
Because you did not use it the way I instructed you, Amadi. This one should not be like that. Try and put it in their food. When you start working, prevent them from being cured. Otherwise,
Wise one,
Amadi,
I should be on my way.
Amadi, Arabaka, Afiyanata, you must drop something.
Wise one, I almost forgot. Thank you for reminding me.
It's good.
Thank you.
Pascal, come. I can see you're tired. Why don't you come inside and take something?
That would be good, ma.
Then come inside and eat.
But I don't have money. I don't want to spend this little money you paid me.
No, nah, I'll not take any money from you. Are you not my customer again?
Thank you.
Let's go inside, okay?
Thank you.
What is wrong with you? Sorry, what is wrong with you? Can you talk? What is wrong? Ijoma, good evening.
There's nothing good about this evening.
Why then are you patrolling the entire village and brandishing torchlights by this odd time of the night?
Because my brother is missing. I've searched him everywhere in this village in vain. I've not seen him.
You will not cease to amaze me. You are convinced that Amandia Neze is now the keeper of Pascal. In other words, maybe he kidnapped Pascal. Or in other words, maybe he hid him. Well, your question said, did I see him around? I did not see him around.
Uncle Amandi, I've searched everywhere in this village.
And he must be in my house.
Yes, yes, because he comes to your house to run errand for you.
Okay. And because of that, you are now sure that I'm the keeper of Pascal, your brother. Wrong. This is the wrong place. You are in the wrong place. Your brother is not here. I did not see him for this entire day at all.
Oh God, what is this? What is this? If I don't see my brother in this village, if I don't see him, this village will not contain all of us. I will burn down this village. After you people have ostracized my parents, now it's my brother is missing now. You don't want to bring my brother out. I'm not happy about this. I'm not happy about this. If I don't see my brother, now everybody will know that I am an iron lady. I'll go and look for my brother. Let me not see him. Let me not see him.
So, you are accusing me to my fate that I killed your parents, then kidnapped your brother, and what again? And because of this, you will burn down this entire village. Anyway, Ijoma, continue to be the little girl you are.
This why you are so restless. What is the matter?
Big problem. That is a problem. Serious one.
What problem? I have done it as you directed me. So
But
what problem again?
we are yet to see his dead body. And it's very important.
Amandi, when did you turn into vulture that feed the dead bodies? Huh?
Wait. You don't understand what I'm talking about, Angela. You don't understand. Yes, I hope no one saw him before he died.
I thought you are here to complete my balance.
Your money is not the problem, woman. I'm talking about the business proper. I told you that this thing must be holding sacrosanct. I told you nobody must know. There must be no traces to that. That's what I'm asking you. Did anyone see him before he died?
You are getting me confused here, Amandi. So, can we go inside so that I'll understand what you mean? Maybe if you have to complete the money first.
Then come and take your balance. Then tell me what I must know about this.
Let's go.
Today is the third day that Pascal is missing without any trace. Only to go to the market and sell firewood. He never returned.
Yoma, let me ask you. Have you gone to the market to to inquire about him?
I did. I went round the market to search for him, but to no avail.
Are you sure he's not following any of his friends home?
Pascal is not such a person.
Okay. But you never can trust the young men of these days. They are very unpredictable.
Pascal does not have any friend. He doesn't mingle. But my mind is telling me that he has been kidnapped.
No. Chalo, before you get there. I refuse to accept this. Listen. Auntie, let me tell you this. I said no, okay, no. I am an elder. I am not supposed to stay at home and watch the she-goat deliver in this theater. By tomorrow, there is a place I will take you to. Yes, if we reach there, we will now discover the mystery behind Pascal's sudden disappearance. Did you hear me? Huh? Then cry no more. Wipe your tears. Hey, please now. Oh, okay, I can ever. You go one. Oh, and the zook.
Yes, I can. Yes, I can deliver it.
What is it? What is it?
Hold on. I'm completing it on myself. It is over. The Lord has said it all.
Biko Prophet, can you break it down for us to understand? Speak to us in a language we will understand. Biko.
Amadi, the ground has taken what belongs to it. Yes.
Meaning?
How is that possible?
Meaning, Biko.
He has gone to the land of no return.
What?
Meaning how? How? Meaning what?
What did he tell you people when he was leaving the house that day?
He did not tell us anything. He didn't say anything. He just went to sell firewood, that's all.
Huh?
He's dead and buried.
By who? Who killed him? Huh?
Someone that buys firewood from him, she has already used him for rituals.
Hi, God.
Prophet, please check very well. Check very well.
Because he sells firewood for different people. So how do we know the person that used him for ritual? Please, Prophet, you have to help us.
Pascal is a funny boy. He has no enemies.
Yes.
I don't believe. I'm not doubting you, Prophet, but please check very well. Check very well.
Please.
Check. Maybe there's a mix-up somewhere.
You may now go home and mourn your late brother. If you decide to carry on the case, you may not get the victory.
How? Who must have done this to us? Who must have done this to us? Who did Pascal offend? That boy has no enemy at all. He's a very funny boy. Everybody likes him. Prophet Biko, check your off, check here.
God. Chimo. Pascal.
It's okay. It's okay.
Pascal, finish. I told you the last time you came here that I have successfully executed him. He's no more alive.
Up to now, there is no proof to his death because his corpse is not yet seen anywhere. Yes, I believe you. Are you hearing me? Because even my prophet said so, that he's no longer alive. But where is his corpse as the sole evidence of that work? Well, it's not why I'm here. Not here, not why I'm here. I've come for another business.
What business?
I need his sister also executed. I need her also to give way. I don't want anyone to obstruct me in this mission. Yes, I want her dead.
Ijoma, the Falconizer.
Yes, so that no one will obstruct me or stop me from taking possession of all those properties.
Will I also work on that one too?
And I will pay you something well if you do it with every conviction. Yes, if you can do it convincingly, I will be glad to pay you.
Okay, I will do that, but you have to finish the first assignment before going into another one.
Talk less. I have your money with me. Take, and count it later. Leave it and count it later. Listen to me. Let's talk business. Now listen to me. Ijoma is the main target. She is the most stubborn. And she stands on my way. So I want her removed, deleted away from this world. So I can just walk into my possessions, possess them, and I will do you well.
You don't have problem on that one at all. Just trust me. You know what I can do.
Ah.
Yes.
Do I trust you?
You have to.
Do I bank on you?
You have to.
Don't fail me.
I will not.
Look, Angela.
Yes.
I am dangerous to some extent. If you fail this task, you will not be happy.
Trust me. I will do as you said.
Deal then. Deal.
Please, eat, okay? Everything will be fine. Just eat.
How did I get to this place?
We will discuss that when you fully recover. Please.
Let's discuss it now, please.
Don't worry. All is well. Just eat, please. Eat. Take one more spoon. Please.
I'm okay.
Okay, eat meat now. This is grass cutter.
I'm okay.
Hey. Okay. Let me go and get you water, okay?
I don't even know what I am still doing in this world. We have been rejected and thrown away by the people and our relatives. Death has taken my parents away from us. As if it is not enough. The only hope I have, Pascal, my only brother and relation, just died mysteriously. Death, why are you still keeping me? Why am I suffering like this? Maybe God does not live anymore, because if he is, let him bring back my brother. Oh, death. What have I done to deserve this suffering? God. God, I am talking to you. If by evening tomorrow you did not show up, my brother,
I will have no choice than to sneak out of this village and drown myself into a Ajali River and say bye-bye to this wicked world.
Trying to make it leave it. We no offend anybody.
I want to go home. That's the only thing I want you to do for me now.
But I would want you to recover fully before going back to your village.
You won't understand. I've been here for some weeks now. I want to go home and see my sister. I don't know how she will be feeling now.
But don't you think it's better we send for your sister to come here, to come see you, instead of you going to your village now? You know, the person who poisoned you is still there. Now, when he or she sees that you survived that one, there's the possibility that he or she will strike again. Huh?
I've taken my corrections. Such thing will never happen again. I've learned how to use law spoon when dealing with the devil.
It's all right. I will make arrangement for that. Okay?
Thank you, sir.
It's all right.
We are only hustlers trying to make it leave it. We know offend anybody.
Pascal, my brother. There are 3 kinds of people in this world. People that loves you. People that hates you. And people that don't care. I belong to the first class of people that loves you. And I will continue to love you even as you are dead. And the second class of people are people of this community that hate us so much. It's not conducive for me to live in this world all alone, Pascal. The third class of people are the ones we meet. The ones that don't care. Bye-bye, my darling brother. My only brother Pascal. Rest in peace. Till we meet to part no more.
Ijoma, stop these talks and feelings. Must you cry this long? Since your brother died, you became like this. Don't even care about your life. Why not move ahead with your life? Life goes on. Eh? You're a woman. Go ahead with other business, whatever thing you are doing. Go ahead with your business. And allow the dead where he is. Please. God knows best. Biko. Oh, stop crying. Nothing is late yet. Stand. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Only hustlers trying to make it leave it. We no offend anybody. Omelo nyani mejolo chacha. If I will and one more. Oh, for one more. A begging no. I didn't Trying to make a living, we no offend anybody. Oh, well, nyani me jolo cha. Hey, if I will and one more. Oh, for one more. A begging no. I didn't need anywhere more. Farewell, and go one more. Oh, for one more. A begging no. I finally can't was it. Yeah.
How did you go?
All is well.
Did you see my sister to explain to her what happened to me?
I saw your sister, and she sends her regards.
Regards. Why would she send her regards instead of following you to come and see me here? Huh? Uncle, is that something you're not telling me? Is my sister okay? Is she sick? She's still alive? Uncle, talk to me now.
Calm down. Biko. Wait.
What happened?
The truth of the matter is that your sister was nowhere to be found. And nobody knew her whereabouts. Nobody knows her whereabouts.
I know it. They've killed my sister since they couldn't get me.
It's okay. I'm sure she's somewhere.
They killed my sister since they couldn't get me.
Don't talk like that. I'm sure she's somewhere.
They
She's alive.
killed my sister since they couldn't get me.
Oh. My prophet, please, you must help me. I've been battling with this illness for a long time now. Battling to survive. Prophet.
Amandi, you brought this illness upon yourself. I warned you before taking to that journey. But you couldn't listen to me, Amandi. Amandi, the person you proclaim dead is fully alive and healthy. Amandi, your death in my temple is not acceptable. The only option left for you now is to take you back to your house and wait for the Lord. Nana!
Wise one. I'm here.
Nana, gather your colleagues and take this body to his house and dump him.
Okay, wise one.
We are only hustlers trying to make a living. We no offend anybody. Omwelo nyanyi mejolo chacha. Hey, fawele wane mo.
Ijoma! Ijoma! Ijoma. Ijoma, Ijoma. Ijoma. Ijoma! Ijoma. Ijoma, where are you? Ijoma! Ijoma, where are you, Ijoma? Ijoma, you can't leave me here all alone. You can't leave me alone in this world, Ijoma. Ijoma, where are you, Ijoma? Ijoma, where are you? Ijoma. Uncle. Ijoma.
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay.
Ijoma.
Don't worry. We'll come back again to check.
Ijoma,
It's
you can't
okay.
leave me alone.
Oh, it's okay now. It's okay.
Ijoma.
Oh, what is keeping you people now? Uncle, please come out now. I'm traveling far distance, so. Uncle, the journey is far.
Where to all be?
Uncle, the journey is far.
Calm down, calm down, calm down. So, you're ready to go? Jude.
Uncle.
Pascal is my son. Okay? I beg you. Take good care of him. Anything you do for him, it is me you are doing it for. Then you go.
Uncle, you have told me this before. And you know I will never disappoint you. Why bringing it up again?
It's never too much.
Uncle, let Pascal enter the car. Let's
It's
go.
never too
Uncle,
much.
the journey is far. Please.
Pascal.
Okay.
Jude, yeah. This is my brother, but he's a son. Okay? He's going to take good care of you. But in the event that he does something that didn't go down well with you, just text me and I will handle it. Okay?
Thank you.
Pascal.
Good afternoon.
Pascal, how are you?
I'm fine.
Did anyone look for me?
You just said Chief Okenwa, who came to ask of the new products if they are ready.
But they are here already.
Yes, I told him. He said you will come back later.
All right. When you are done with what you're doing, okay? Sample the whole new products so our customers will know we have new arrivals.
Okay, I'll do that.
All right, take care.
Thank you.
Ijoma, this your mood will not help. You have to brace up and follow the situation as it come. Listen, your brother is dead. And you can never see him again.
I've heard you. But the thing is, I don't even know where to start from. At this point, I am confused. I don't know what to do. I don't even know how this vulcanizing work will help me as a woman. If my brother was alive, I mean, we should have put heads together to make some money. But see me, I don't know what to do right now.
Ijoma, I've told you times without number that you should forget about the past and move on. Listen, if you continue like this, I doubt if you're going to make it in this town.
It's fine, I've had you. Thank you so much. Thank you for all you do for me.
It's okay. Listen, this organizer work might not really be a good work for a woman. But since this is the only trade you know how to do, keep it up until God says otherwise, okay?
You see, it's really difficult to see good humans like you. Despite I don't even know you too well. Or see what you have done for me. You gave me accommodation. You're feeding me. You're doing everything for me. How do I thank you? Thank you so much.
No. Oh, no. You don't have to do this. You don't need to kneel down. I am not God.
Thank you.
Stop it. Just get up. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it.
Thank you.
No. You have to stand up. Stand up this minute, please. Listen, I am not God. You don't have to kneel down for me, okay? Your customer is here.
Yeah.
All right. See you some other time. Bye. Be good, okay?
Madam, fast now. I dey hungry now. Which kind thing be this one? I don't know say I dey hungry. Eh? I don't work tire. Which kind nonsense? You know how many work I don't do today? Just dey waste my time.
Am I dreaming? Why is Pascal's ghost roaming about the city? My God, please, kindly allow my late brother's corpse to rest in peace. He is not the cause of his own death. I loved him dearly. If his death can be reversed and he comes back, I will forever be happy.
Hi, girl.
Why are you jumping as if you step on a snake?
You will not understand. You won't understand at all.
I won't understand. So tell me, what is it again this time?
I saw him. I saw his ghost.
Who is that?
I saw my late brother's ghost. I saw Pascal's ghost. He didn't see me. I don't know. I'm just...
It's impossible. Girl, I put it to you that it is just an imagination. Dead people don't roam the earth. Your brother is dead and gone. Yes. I mean, I don't believe in the saying that dead people still go about roaming the earth. I don't believe. I don't have that kind of belief.
Exactly. I don't believe, but now I have no doubt. Can you imagine? Like, I don't know what's going on. Hey, what is it?
Hey! Hey, Joma. Hey! Please, I have to sit down and laugh very well. Let me look for where to sit, please. So that I can laugh very well. Hey! Hey, Joma.
You don't seem happy. What is the problem?
I am.
Pascal, I know you too well. I know that something is eating you up. Don't you like the shop or what?
No, it's not that. I told you not to open the shop. Let me be staying in your own shop until I further my education. It's very important to me.
Pascal, listen. You can still be here, you can still manage here, and still further your education. There's nothing bad in it. Listen, I want to employ a new assistant for you. Somebody that will be here permanently to manage the shop with you.
Okay.
How about that?
Good. Thank you very much.
All right, we will discuss about your studies. Let's just go inside, okay?
Ijoma. 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 Ijoma, why were you ignoring my calls? You even left the house without telling me.
I'm sorry about that. I'm so sorry. It's just that a lot is going through my mind. Like, I'm thinking too much. I don't know what's happening to me.
You're thinking?
Yes.
Thinking about what? What are you thinking about, Ijoma?
I need to make a change.
A change? Oh, you want to change your business?
No. It's not about business. I think my suffering has to do with my name.
How do you mean?
Since I was born into this world and given the name Ijoma, nothing good has ever happened to me. Everything about me is a disaster. My business, everything has crumbled. I don't know. I'm just... Oh, God.
It's okay. I understand you now. So, what name would you like to bear? Since you want to be happy. You want to be happy, right? So, what name would you like to bear?
Blessing.
Without even thinking about it. Blessing. Okay. Blessing you shall become from today. Are you happy now?
I'm happy. It's just that one more thing. I want to be part of your business. In fact, I want to join your business. You know, now that I have decided to change my name, I want everything around me to change. I want my business to change. I want the way I dress to change. Please, help me. I need you to help me, please. Eh?
Oh, my business, you mean?
Yes, please don't say no to me, please. Help me.
You're not doing bad at all.
Okay.
What of those clothes I ordered for? Have they brought them?
Yes, and I have sampled them.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Truth. What of the sales girl we discussed about? Is it possible for her to start next week?
No, she's starting tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
And for your school arrangements, everything is completed.
Oh, thank you.
But I'm still wondering, how are you going to combine schooling and trading? How?
Don't worry, I'll do my best. I'll be going to school and do this one too.
This one is already tested and trusted.
Yes, I can see, going to school while doing this one too.
But there is a day that says that you cannot serve two masters at a time.
I will try. I'll try my best.
But this one is tested and trusted. From what I'm seeing here, you are doing pretty well. All right.
I'll do my best.
All right, the ball is in your court.
Thank you.
Okay.
Hey, Joma, I've heard what you've said. But I need to have a second thought about it. Because my business is not what a fearful woman can embark on.
Please, introduce me and leave the rest. There's nothing I haven't seen in this world.
Ijoma, I want you to go and sleep over our talk tonight, while I also will sleep over it, because I wouldn't want us to become enemies.
No, it's not going to be possible. Look, I promise you that I will serve you and work for you with all my heart. We can never be enemies, trust me.
Ijoma, do you know what?
What is it?
People call me bad names. I want you to think. Think about this. You have a whole 1 week to think about this if you'll be happy when people call you those bad names. How are you going to feel when they call you those bad names?
Of course, I am used to people calling me a bad person right from when I was in the village. But look, at this point, I do not care. I afford being broke. Look, so far, this is going to put food on my table. I don't care. I can do anything at this point. I can even kill to make money. Please help me. Go to sleep. Go to sleep. Good night.
Honestly, I never knew she has come to the city and pick up the organizing work.
Yes, I do see her at times. But I never knew you know her.
She's my sister. Both of us were struggling together when we were forbidden in our village after the death of our parents. She now continued the organizing work, which is our father's business. And me, I started fetching for our wood to sell in the village market before I was nearly killed by my enemies. And everybody in my village thought I was dead. Even up to now, they never believed that I'm alive. When Uncle Njoko now took me back to the village, I couldn't find anyone there. Couldn't find her too. And that made me, suspect that maybe she has gone. But thank God, she's not. If not, I don't know.
Yeah. It's all in the past. Yes, everything happened for a reason. Yes. And
anytime I remember that, it makes me feel somehow. If not you and Uncle Njoko, I don't know. By now, I would have been a dead person.
yeah, everything happened for a reason. I think we should find a way to let her know that both of you are still alive.
Yes. It's fine.
Yeah.
It's okay.
We give thanks to God.
To God be the glory.
Yeah.
I don't know why Pascal's ghost is following me around. Why?
It is not what you think. If you're really sure that you've seen him more than twice, then he's not dead.
Are you telling me what I know? Look, there's no amount of your conviction that will make me believe that Pascal is still alive. Do you know how many years it has been?
How many years? I asked. How many years, Ijoma? Do you know his gravesite? Were you at his funeral?
God. He died and his corpse is nowhere to be found till date. I went in shock when I heard about Pascal's death. It almost killed me.
Okay, I understand how you feel. I think I will have to help you trace him to know if he is dead or alive.
No, I don't think that will be necessary. I don't have any business with a ghost. Never.
I understand you perfectly well. Listen, when next you see him, summon courage. Yes, stand him face to face. If possible, scoop some sand and pour it on him. Or better still, water. Pour him water. In that way, you will know if he is dead or alive. Yes, that is the best option.
Well, the God that I serve will not allow me to come in contact with Pascal's ghost again. You should just go to the person that killed him. Why is it frustrating me? Why is it? I don't know, I'm just miserable.
I understand how you feel. Calm down, girl. Ijoma, take it easy on yourself.
Put yourself together, okay? We'll see to it.
Sir, good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. How are you?
Fine, sir. Thank God. Sir, do you want to pump your tire?
No, I came to see you. Please, can we go somewhere cool and discuss?
To see me?
Yes.
Sir, please, you can't, there's no, let's discuss whatever we want to discuss. Let's discuss it here. There's no need for you to see me. Besides, I don't know you now.
All right. If you insist, at least can we sit?
Okay.
That was how it all happened. Pascal is fully alive.
So where is he?
He's in school.
School? I thought you brought him to the city to learn trade.
Yes, I brought him to learn trade, but along the line, he decided to go to school.
Which school is he now?
He's studying law in the university.
He lives over there?
No, he goes from house.
Okay. It's fine. I've heard you, sir. I've heard you. When I see him, I will confirm what you've told me.
All right, I have to be on my way. I will let him know that I met with you.
Okay, sir. Sir, please, where do you stay?
I stay in Sky Estate. When you enter the estate, the second street by your right, number 3 Ikenwa Street.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
All right. Take care.
Okay, sir. Bye-bye, sir.
All right.
My dear, with what that guy told you, it is obvious that Pascal is still alive. Remember, I also told you that Pascal is not dead. So, tell me, when is he coming?
Well, I have been battling with myself to be convinced that Pascal is still alive. I mean, how is that possible?
Then close that chapter and wait for him to come to your workshop again.
That's exactly what I'm going to do.
Okay, I beg to go to sleep. I'm so tired.
Vienna,
Uh-uh.
I finished considering what you told me about your business. I now have the heart. I have a very strong heart right now to put food on my table. Please.
Ijoma. How many times did I call you?
3 times.
3 times. I can see you have the heart of a man. I am coming. Wait for me.
What is this?
That's a gun. What will a woman be doing with a gun? I don't get it. I'm staying with a gun owner in the same house. How is...
If you don't look well, you will never see beyond your nose.
It's me, Pascal. It's me. It's me. It's me. It's Pascal.
Rape.
Now you getting married, and which man has...
Which man? I found my brother Pascal. Hey!
Your brother?
Yes!
How did it happen?
I was busy at the workshop. Suddenly, I saw Pascal, and then BAM! I ran inside. I did as you instructed. I grabbed a bucket of water, vroom! I poured on his body. I started observing. I started watching. He didn't disappear. And then, wow, I grabbed him! I grabbed him! My brother is alive! Pascal is alive! Pascal is alive! Ow! Hey.
I'm happy that you are happy.
I'm so excited.
But I told you he's not dead. Since you people didn't find his corpse.
Yes, but the annoying part is he couldn't even wait for us to talk. He was so in a hurry to leave. Like my brother is alive.
At least now you can go back to your business.
Which business?
And concentrate very well on your business.
Which business?
Your business. You know your business. Leave me alone.
I'm so happy. I'm happy.
Let me have my business.
Which business? You're not going to have your business. Come here, my brother.
Oh.
So on that very day, I went to save firewood. I was so tired. Very, very tired. And the woman offered me a plate of food. And after eating that food, so I started, walking back home. On my way back, I just, fell down. I couldn't understand what happened again. I couldn't remember anything. The next thing, I found myself in another man's house. Yes, by the time I came back home, everywhere was deserted. And I make inquiry to find out where you are. I couldn't get any reasonable answer. I thought you were dead.
I never knew you are still alive. Well, I heard that you are now studying at the university.
Yes. Jude, Jude is kind. He offered me to do business with him and even gave me his shop. But I told him that I would prefer education before the business. He said no problem. So he promised to take care of my education. Then after that, I will still take over the shop. Yes. He's a nice guy. He's a nice boy.
I'm happy.
Thank you.
I'm so happy.
So how are you doing?
I'm fine. Well, I've always knew that since you came into this world, you've been a lucky child. So
And I'll be rushing back to school now. I have exam around 11:45. So later I will see you, okay? Huh?
Hey, brother, I'm so happy to see you.
Thank you so
I'm
much.
happy.
I will see you later.
Hey, brother.
Yeah? When I come back later, we'll discuss about your business.
Okay.
No problem.
All right, brother.
What is it again?
I'm just considering what my brother told me to do.
Wishes?
He wants me to manage his business.
I see. Manage his business while he goes to school, right?
At least I will not have to be pumping tires. Besides, he's my blood brother too.
How can a full-grown lady like you go into worshipping your little brother? Girl, use your brain. Use your brain.
Is anything wrong with that?
Nothing is wrong with that. And at the same time, everything is wrong with it. Since you made up your mind to join our threat, and I've long introduced you to some of our members, I would suggest you start up the threat at once.
Just calculate everything and tell me how much. Because I'm no longer interested in this vulcanizing business again.
I have calculated everything. It's 26,000 naira. But what I have here is 15,000.
It's fine, no problem. When are you giving me the balance?
That should be by next month.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Please, don't fail me. Please.
But
don't fail me.
Don't worry.
I don't want to hear stories.
Don't worry. Okay.
IJ, what happened? This one you're not on uniform. Is there no work today?
Brother, we are on strike. Yes.
Strike?
Yes.
I had left to on strike?
Yes.
Ah.
So how is school?
Fine. As you can see, I'm just coming back from there.
Okay.
And you? How are you?
We thank God.
That's
Thank
nice.
God. Just sit down.
No. I'm in a haste. I just came to, find out what you think about what I told you last time.
About what?
About taking care of my shop.
Oh, okay. Yes, I still want to give it a second thought. It's not easy to manage something you have never done before. But no problem, since you have a sales girl, I can think about it.
Well, I'm in a haste now. You can think about it. Let me just head to where I'm going. Later we discuss about it, okay? We'll talk about it. Just take care of yourself.
All right, bye.
But I apologized to you the last time.
It's okay. I'm listening. Listening.
Listening to what?
Can you be serious for once in life?
Take a good look at me. Can someone who is not serious live in a beautiful mansion like this? Out there are my automobile machines. Do they strike you like an unseriousness?
Well, seriousness should not be measured with mentality.
Well, what is life if not what you grab?
Hope is not what I'm thinking. Because
of what? Look, I have suffered in this life. Remember, we lived a life of abandoned children. So there's nothing in this life I have not seen